Our material world is changing, and in the coming years, this change will be dramatic. In parallel with climate change, our lifestyles will also change. This means we need new ideas. In response, we made a cookbook of experiments featuring wood and plant-based materials, especially cellulose. Here in Finland, we are specialists in this field. 70% of our country is covered by forests, with which we strive to take good care. The CHEMARTS Cookbook gives you both simple and more advanced ideas and recipes for hands-on experiments. We aim to inspire you to explore the potential of materials. We encourage playful, hands-on experiments and explorations with our recipes. Get inspired, test the recipes in your workshops or labs, develop your own experiments and new materials.